Christmas shopping is officially done. And this, and yes, I know I like my socks as well. This is the aftermath. We have two bags in here. We have some water in there. We have another like 2-3 bags around here. My boyfriend is currently eating, how is this called?
Konopida.
Not in Romanian.
Konopida.
Konopida in Romanian, but it's the white broccoli. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. So he's eating that sour in vinegar. So weird guy. But we finished all of our Christmas shopping and now we're gonna have to unpack. And I want to make some pretzels today because I don't know why, I'm just in a mood for pretzels. And I was supposed to have my Secret Santa today, but it's been postponed until tomorrow, so it's gonna happen tomorrow. And maybe today we're gonna go out to see the solstice thing with the planets. Yeah, maybe we're gonna do that as well. Pretzels. I think I've mentioned it in the morning because I felt like some pretzels. I've seen some pictures and I wanted to make them myself. So that's what I'm gonna do today. The recipe seems pretty simple. The only thing that's slightly annoying me was that I forgot that I would have to leave the dough to rise for about an hour and it's already 9:20. But that's fine because I had a quick nap during the day. So I'm fresh. Tomorrow I'm going to work. That's okay because I only started at 10:30 so I can sleep in until like 8. So for the, let me bring the camera closer. This is the ingredients that you need. So we have 500 grams of flour, then we have 7 grams of yeast, 25 grams of sugar, 50 grams of unsalted butter, some extra flour for dusting, 3 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. I didn't have that, so that's baking powder. I hope that's fine. And then 1 egg, which I'll have to beat lightly. That's it really. And yes, I'm wearing my boyfriend's t-shirt. And can I get some focus on me? Camera. Thank you. So I'm wearing my boyfriend's t-shirt because I had a sweater on and it was just too thick. So let's start. I'm gonna bring my phone. It's from BBC Good Food. I'll leave the recipe down below. Put the flour, yeast, sugar and 1 teaspoon salt in a large bowl and mix together to combine. So put the flour. I don't know if you can see. You can't really see. I'm gonna move you slightly so you can see. And I think down a bit. Yeah, that's a bit better. You can't really see me, but you can see what's going on here, and that's important. So, I've put a flour in here. Then we have to put the yeast as well. 1 teaspoon of salt. That's 1 teaspoon of salt and the sugar in a large bowl and mix together to combine. I'm gonna mix this together. I mean, it's not that much to mix anyway. So, next step. In a large jug. Mix together 300 milliliters of lukewarm water and the butter. I know that a cup is about 250, so I'll have that and a bit more. And the butter. So let me get a bowl. Pour that here. And a bit more. And let me put the butter in there as well. I'm gonna break it down. I feel like this type of baking stuff is the most Christmassy thing that I've done throughout December. And I'm really excited that I've had time to do it from time to time. So the thing with this butter in the water, I'm not sure that I can show you. No, I can't. But you have to make sure that you dissolve all the buttery bits so that it's not gonna be too much. But then what we have to do is make a hole inside the flour composition and put the butter in the water there. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna, with my hands, just gonna knead it through. After that, it says that I should put it onto a work surface and knead for 10 or 15 minutes. I'm just gonna do it in here because I find it easier. Okay, I changed my mind and I'm actually gonna do it in here, because then I'll have to put it back in the bowl for it to rise. I'm gonna put something on the background because I need to do this for at least 5 more minutes, so I need something to keep me occupied. So it's been almost an hour, but I really don't have time to wait anymore. So, as you can probably see, it was like half the size it is now. And it's really soft and airy, but I have to just knead it a bit more and then cut it into 8 equal pieces and then just roll each piece into a long rope. Such a long and annoying process. I wouldn't think that it would take that long, but I've rolled the pretzels into these like long things. Some longer, but towards the end they're shorter because I just got bored. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a saucepan and I'm gonna put some boiling water and the bicarbonate inside and let it boil, and then I'm just gonna shape the pretzels and I'm gonna dump them in there and then they'll go in the oven. So that's what we're gonna do now. Today it comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. I showed you how they look like. I'm gonna try and take one of here. So they look like this, and it's hot, but they look real. Like they are real. They look like real pretzels that you would buy in a shop. So I'm super surprised and happy with that. I don't know how they taste yet because I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna let them cool down for a bit. And I still have the other round in the oven, which is still baking a bit more. But that will conclude today's Vlogmas because it's kind of late. It's almost midnight now, and I really have to edit this video in order for it to be online at 8. But that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you're gonna try the pretzels yourself. It's just such a nice like breakfast thing that you can just keep out handy and like eat with coffee or like just have as a snack. But definitely breakfast for me is gonna be the main attraction for this dish, and I'm gonna bring some with me tomorrow to work. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!